Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
how to use KeePass on Android phone.
And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
To utilize KeePass on your Android phone with App Lock Pro, follow these steps. The first step would be, start by using that App Lock Pro is successfully installed on your Android device. If it's not yet installed, you can easily download and install it from the Google Play Store. Next step, open the App Lock Pro application on your device. During the setup process, establish a 6-digit PIN, which will become your exclusive password for all the apps. Save the PIN and address, any necessary permissions by following the on-screen prompts. Another step, once the initial setup is complete, navigate to the settings or options within the App Lock Pro application. Next step, within the settings, you have the flexibility to make various modifications. In the System and Security section, you can change your passcode, configure security questions, and activate additional security features such as biometrics and fingerprint recognition. Be sure to enable the App Lock feature for enhanced security. Next step, return to the App Lock interface where you can access a list of currently unlocked apps. To secure a specific app, like Assistant, tap on the Unlock icon. This action relocates the app to the locked section, indicating that it now has restricted access. To unlock the app, simply tap on the lock icon. And now, with these configurations in place, you'll seamlessly access and manage your KeePass passwords directly within the App Lock Pro application. This comprehensive method demonstrates how to effectively utilize KeePass on your device using App Lock Pro.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.